Hi, welcome to Pharmacist Fast Facts, your source for safe and effective complementary medicine recommendations. Today I want to talk to you about gut microbiome dysbiosis and its impact on a host of conditions that we see in the pharmacy. Think gastrointestinal complaints like IBS, acid reflux and diverticulitis, along with immune issues such as upper respiratory tract infections and antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Dysbiosis has also been linked to mood disorders, poor cognition, urinary tract infections, vaginosis, thrush, and even compromised sports performance. Clinically trialled probiotics, typically from Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium species, offer significant health benefits and contribute to gut microbiome balance. Probiotics act in several ways. Firstly, they rebuild a diverse, healthy gastrointestinal microbial environment. Secondly, they stimulate the production of short-chain fatty acids, which lower inflammation. Thirdly, they support immune defenses. They also interact with the gut-brain axis to influence mood and cognitive function. A 2024 study on probiotics with vitamin C in children found a 25% reduction in the incidence of upper respiratory tract infections, resulting in a halving of antibiotic prescriptions and a decrease in school absenteeism. Another 8-week study from 2024 demonstrated that probiotics significantly reduced IBS symptom severity and levels of anxiety and depression in women. They also normalised stool patterns. For pharmacists, probiotics are a versatile, evidence-backed tool to address diverse health concerns quickly. Need a patient-friendly phrase? Try this. Probiotics restore balance to your gut and support your overall health. Good evidence shows that they improve digestive issues, immune concerns, and mood balance. And there you have it. I'm Mick Alexander, Brand Ambassador for FX Medicine by BioCeuticals, and this has been another Pharmacist Fast Facts.